are going to stop treating AI like a generic search engine and instead train it to act as a highly specialized internal finance analyst. Most finance teams fail with AI because they ask generic questions like, "What is our variance?" The superior approach is teaching it your specific business rules. Generic prompts fail because the AI lacks context. It does not know your chart of accounts, and it has no idea how your specific data model operates. You also face a massive technical wall. You cannot safely or practically paste a 50 million row general ledger table into a chat window. The solution is schema mapping. You teach the AI the structural map of your data table rather than handing over the raw rows. You define the exact column headers: date, account code, amount, and cost center. Next, you provide the parameters. You explicitly tell the AI that any account code starting with a 4 is revenue and a 5 is cost of goods sold. When the AI deeply understands this structural schema, it independently generates the correct logical filters to query your records. Your confidential data stays secure inside your ERP. Every successful finance prompt relies on the exact same 6-part architectural skeleton. Let's build one for a P&L variance analysis. Step 1 is the role. You establish a specific persona, giving the AI a clear job title like Senior Financial Analyst and a defined objective. Step 2 is the data source. You create strict boundaries for the information, noting that the data comes specifically from the SAP post-close period for Q2. Step 3 is the table schema. You detail the exact columns and data types the AI will process, completely mapping out your GL detail structure. Step 4 is business rules. Here, you hard-code your company's definitions, like identifying specific GL codes for revenue and defining a material variance as anything over 10%. Step 5 is calculation logic. You provide explicit mathematical instructions on how to arrive at the variance percentage step by step. Step 6 is the output format. You mandate exactly how the final table should be presented, including a requirement for root cause hypotheses printed directly below the data. This structured, layered approach guarantees the AI has the exact logic required to execute a flawless, company-specific analysis. This foundational framework scales immediately across your daily finance operations. For working capital analysis, the prompt calculates days sales outstanding to identify cash leakage and pinpoint slow-paying regions. For expense anomaly detection, you instruct the AI to calculate rolling averages and use standard deviations to flag highly unusual spending for immediate review. For balance sheet validation, the AI cross-checks asset relationships against historical patterns and flags impossible financial ratios. And for headcount cost allocation, the prompt ensures that payroll postings perfectly match your organizational hierarchy. The pattern is consistent. By repeatedly dictating the data schema, the business rules, and the exact definition of an anomaly, you eliminate manual data sorting. In financial reporting, errors carry significant consequences. AI can hallucinate, and finance cannot afford that. To protect your data integrity, you must use guardrails. These are mandatory self-auditing instructions built directly into the prompt structure. The first 2 guardrails force the AI to perform a rigorous reconciliation check and a strict trial balance tryout before it outputs any analysis. The final 2 establish strict validation rules, like ensuring revenue is never negative, and require the AI to assign a confidence score to all of its findings. Think of this as a mandatory code review for finance. It ensures critical discrepancies are caught and flagged automatically. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you stop processing data manually and start acting as a strategic analyst. Mastering this workflow does not require a background in data science. It only requires the ability to document the financial logic you already use every day. There are copy and paste prompt templates in the description. Pick one, input your specific general ledger codes, and run a real test today. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and let AI crunch the complexity. Talk soon.